if ringgit continues to remain weak, what is your formula to offset the impact, especially when it comes to imported consumption?
No, okay. I think for the long term, that's why one of the first things that we focus is on food security, because we have to quickly build up food production capacity. Try planting behind, in your backyard. You will not get it tomorrow. We have to build these facilities. We have to bring people in, and the cycle is about 6 months. So that bit, I think, as more and more food production is localized, we hope that obviously it will reduce imports. Of course, we are also looking at how we can quickly assist the most vulnerable groups in our society. That's why we've been focusing on the B40 and the miskin tegar, because when we talk about cost and inflation, there are two sides of it. First is the cost, the other side is income. While we manage the cost and the spillover effect, if prices go up because of weaker ringgit, we also have to focus to make sure we put more money into the pockets, starting with the most vulnerable groups first. But I'm not going to advocate something that is very ad hoc and haphazard, just to make everyone feel, happy because we give more money, you get, one time off money into your bank account. That's not going to change structurally. That's why, all these questions about what formula and so on, is basically basic common sense economics that Form 6 students would have gone through in your education, which is you focus on all these fundamentals, and the fundamental is also about capacity, is about speed, is about making sure there's a balance between supply and demand. And if we have more domestic capacities, that it reduces imports, especially on household goods, then we will be able to manage imported inflation better. Datuk Wira fully understands. We are looking at how to relook at all import and approved permits, for example, because revamping import and approved permits will allow for imports to be brought cheaper. So there are other mechanisms, not necessarily all are monetary in nature, that we have to put together to make sure that we manage any possible inflation from the weakening of ringgit.